第二大段讲到我们都要被建造，为的是要成为神的居所。
And the second point that we talked about is that we're all being built together so that we may become a dwelling place of God.
弟兄姊妹，这是太了不起的一个开启哈。
Brothers and sisters, this is a wonderful and very important revelation.
神要把我们建造成为他的家，成为他的居所。
God is building us together so that we may become His house, His dwelling place.
所以我们没有一个基督徒信仰是只为自己的。
So not a single one of us that we believe in our faith is for ourselves.
在神的眼中，我们是他整个家的一部分。
In the eyes of God, we are a part. You and I are a part of His house.
他要建造一个居所，圣经上用会幕、用圣殿、用教会、用圣城新耶路撒冷来表明这个建造。
He is building a dwelling place. The scripture uses the tabernacle, the temple, and the church to represent His building.
还有 New Jerusalem
And the
将
New
来的
Jerusalem.
他通通都表达神要找到一个居所。
In all of these illustrations, it speaks of the fact that God is seeking a dwelling place.
这个天和天上的天不够他居住的伟大的神，
A heaven and the heaven above is insufficient for Him to dwell.
居然要住在我们中间。
But yet He wants to dwell among us.
你不觉得很荣耀吗？
Do you feel glorious?
你不觉得教会太重要了吗
Do？you not feel that the church is utmost important?
不光教会是神的家，住在这。
And not only the church is the house of God, it is right here.
我们今天居然会每一个人都回自己的家，不管你是什么窝、金窝、银窝，什么窝都是啊。
After the service, everybody's going to go home regardless of the state of that home.
你总有一个窝，
Everybody has a home.
你觉得那是你的家
You feel that this is my home.
啊，对不对？但是这是神的家，
But you need to recognize this is God's house.
所以我们要里面有一个说不出来的兴奋，每次回到神家
So
来，
there should be an excitement every time we step into those doors, we enter into the house of the
因为
Lord.
神在这里，
Because God is here.
我们在这里享受他的同在，
We come here and enjoy His presence.
我们在这里一起来敬拜他。
We come together to worship Him.
就像上次 Aaron 说的，每一次当我们要唱诗聚会的时候，神叫天上的天使安静了。
And as Aaron has given this illustration, every time the people of God, the children of God begin to sing, God says to the angels, hush.
因为我的儿女要开始敬拜我了，
Because my children is about to worship me.
所以我们在这里用我们所有能够有的力量来敬拜他，叫他的心喜乐。
So we worship Him with all of our strength that He may take pleasure.
而在这里是人与神相会的地方。
And here is the place where God and men meet.